Can't you see what is happening, Simon? Entertainment is everywhere. Maybe your company and the other CSPs have been creating value, but you've allowed OTT players to monetize that value.
And you think I don't know that, entity? But our business is providing connectivity, not entertainment.
Your business is your customers, don't you see? All consumer insights pass through your servers. Only you have the ability to offer the hyper-personalization that customers are demanding.
You're talking about...
Pure communication service providers will no longer exist. The future belongs to digital service providers. The advances made in artificial intelligence will make it possible to gather a huge amount of data about each consumer, and, as a consequence, hyper-personalized advice can be offered. Simon, we're talking about a real digital self, just like me. Douglas, I have downloaded a new workout routine. Do you want us to try it out? Carmen, I have found a discount for that trip you were arranging to Brazil. Hey, Paul, would you like me to book a table at a Japanese restaurant? You know Annie's mad about sushi. Sonia, considering your mood today, I found a VIP ticket for a concert that is sure to cheer you up. Do you see? The digital self transcends the user experience to become something totally immersive, available anywhere, at any time.
And that... can my company do that?
It is only you, the suppliers of information, who will have access to the data needed to create such a refined artificial intelligence. And what's more, new business models take operators into new areas of revenue generation. It's not only speaking about platform service provision, but also blockchain, 8K content, the IoT ecosystem, banking, or even advertising.
So digital services can be consumed irrespective of the operator and the end user. This is how we will overcome the threat from over-the-top suppliers.
Yes, Simon. But I have to warn you, the responsibility will be enormous. Cybersecurity and ethics, they are the key. Consumers will only hand over their data voluntarily if they know that it's safe from hackers and that your intentions are honest.
I promise you we'll be worthy of their trust, entity. Please, get me back to the real world. I've got a lot of work to do.
Good luck, Simon.
If I get moving, I'll still make the meeting with my CMO.
Hello, Simon. Welcome to the present.
So the biggest driver is going to be 5G. It's the next generation of mobile technology, and it's more than just another G. It's going to make a significant change to how we operate as an industry, but how UK PLC operates too.
Interesting. And And what are some of the things that you're doing to adapt to these changes?
Well, there's a number of things you have to do for 5G. Obviously, you have to make sure you're in a good place, and that's about spectrum and working with the vendors to make sure that you can roll the infrastructure out. We're also working with the government. It will be a different kind of infrastructure to make 5G successful, and that includes rural coverage to make sure it covers more of the UK to deliver those services, but also urban coverage. So things like small cells and how they would fit in a big metropolitan city like London. So those are the infrastructure things we're doing, but also starting to work with digital startups, because it's the services that make 5G come to life. As much as the infrastructure is important, it will be the services that people consume that will make the biggest difference.
And customers will be producing a whole variety of data and information through a broad array of terminals and devices. Is it your intention that you'll be using this information to hyper-personalize the services that you're providing to customers?
We already look to personalise services to individuals. So yes, one of the great things about the amount of data that 5G will bring is that we can offer services to customers related to them, where they are and when they want to consume them, which I think makes it unique. The challenge for brands that are telco is how do you create that relationship that gives customers the confidence to want to consume your services. And that's going to be one of the biggest opportunities for any telco, is change that relationship from a service provider to more of a digital assistant and a digital companion.